Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change flight on WestJet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to WestJet if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the flights, vacation, and offers. And we have the book a flight option where you can go and book your very own flight. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile and you can also view your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change flight on WestJet. So WestJet flights can be changed or cancel up until 2 hours before the flight is scheduled to actually go and depart. Changes and cancellations within 24 hours of booking, within 24 hours of the original booking time. Any changes you make to your booking will only be subject to any difference in fare. So guys, that is pretty simple, as you can see, and that is everything for this video guys. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until next time guys, bye.